Day 2 in Bali. Try. Get ready with me. Prepare lang tayo for today. Wala naman tayo masyadong gagawin. Punta lang tayo ng Kratia Ubud. Then, stay lang dun.
The skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins in Tokyo. 27 days alone means 20 million ways to cope with that.
So, Josh, punta na siya ng SB. Well, I'm preparing. Skin tint lang tayo kasi pagbabasa din naman tayo for today's video. Hindi ko na kayo na room tour kahapon. Anyways, masakit ng tiyan ko. Ba't ba ako nagdulgolax? Pero yung ilat lang siya. Parang nakataika pa. Parang tutok lang naman siya. It's not bali-belly kasi ay tukdulgolax kagabi. Kasi nga, kapag nasa labas, hirap talaga akong mag-poops. Like, I don't know why. Ito pala yung gamit ko. Careline oil control skin tint pang base lang. Kasi wala lang, tapat na tayo sa buhay as a trentahin, diba? Then of course, bigay lang tayo ng Maybelline eraser na concealer. Look at my nails, by the way. Diba? Sa TikTok shop lang yan. Kaso problema, natanggal yung bit na. So, like, okay na yan. Ilaban na natin yan. So, this is where we are staying at. Puri Anyar here in Ubud. Ayan siya. Puntahan na lang natin sila. Yan pa yung other parang rooms nila. Ayan. So, we need to go out. Hanapin natin yung Starbucks. Kasi nandun si Josh. Alam mo, parang ka lang nasa LU. Bakit hindi ka na lang nag-LU? Bali-bali ka pa. Let's trust our instinct and just go with the flow type for today's video. Kasi marami pang close notes. Hanapin lang natin si Josh. Let's go. Parang breakfast na. And as far as I can remember, kakanan tayo. Dapat nandito ang Starbucks. Kapag wala, hindi ko sure. Hanapin na lang natin. I think nakikita ko na yung Starbucks. Okay. So, hindi pa naman pala tayo very, very directional challenge. Directional challenge? Namiss ko tuloy si Toby. Tama. Starbucks na nga eh. So, inaantay na tayo ni Josh. Nag-iisip ako kung magpapamassage. Should I get one? Ito yung parang market doon. Market? Finally! There's Josh waiting for me. Hindi tayo nawala. Finally here in Kratia Ubud. So, 220,000 in rupiah ang ating entrance. Ay, okay. So, may security. Ay, nandito ko baba. Sige. Ano ba? So, ito ang ating view. Kratia Ubud. Okay, perfect na to. Meron ka nang pang IG ng 2 araw. Oo, ito lang pala talaga kailangan na.
Wala tayo mga research.
Yes!
Ganito na pala ang mga gusto natin.
What's this?
Tour, rice field, glass floor, shop activities,
Swing, skyrocks. Ano meron dito?
Ayun yung mga rice.
Wow! Correct.
Leg day.
Para saan pa at magpa-first, second, third floor sila ng swimming pool kung hindi tumata. Wow, I love. Thank you.
That's where we can like
Order.
redeem the drinks or
We do have pool bar by the pool.
Ah, okay. Thank you. So, bababa lang tayo. Sa baba lang tayo yung pool nila. Guys. In the pool area. Maze pala to. Hindi mo naman sinabi, Besh. Wow. Bilis ma-distract. This is where they are having breakfast. Ayan yung view. Ayan, that's where we're going into the pool. Invisible ang ating ticket. So nice. Ready na si Josh.
Yung pinakita mo, invisible.
Oo. Sabi ko invisible yung ano, pero nakita namin inilawan. Ayan, it's a private area. Wow.
Private area naman. So, ito
Baka ito na yun.
I don't know.
Ask na lang natin. Baka dyan tayo pwede magstay din.
So, what's the level? What's this level?
Hindi ko din alam. What floor is this for the swimming pool?
Swimming because in this private area until 9 a.m.
Second floor. That's
Yeah.
where we can already swim. Okay. Here, 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Ito maganda rin shot na to.
Oo, correct.
Oh my God, this is so Instagrammable.
Oh, so marami ka nang pwede. Yung pool nila, guys.
Wait, it's 220.
Ito na yun. No? So, dito yung, pwede alas. This is where you can stay. Pool area. Second, yun yung third. Third, yung mag-breakfast pasero. Of course, magpipicture mo na si Josh. Ganda, oh.
Where can we stay though? Anywhere.
Anywhere, oo. Can you stay here? Tara nga.
Dito na lang.
Oo, tara.
Okay.
Oo. Okay.
So we can stay anywhere.
In here is a private table. We have the minimum spending.
Ah.
The one in the second floor is a free table.
This one here.
Yeah, in
The
the, blue
second.
chairs there. Sorry, there's the green chair.
But we can already swim. Yeah. Except there until 9.
Until 9.
Pag buntis ang binabayaran mo marami nito. Ano sila yung mga ganyan din?
The beer, Pura Pura. Island Ale, made in Bali. We'll have our lunch here. Still here at Kretia Ulo. Behind the scene, Josh is taking anesthetic flat lay.
Tapos, maglalakad-lakad tayo. Maghanap tayo ng Instagrammable na coffee shop. One Dutch Auto Cafe. Pwede ko. Oh, this is it too. E din marami pa dito sa kabila. Ikaw na lang din mananawa sa pag-cafe hopping dito. Tatawid tayo. Tingnan natin kung makakatawid tayo, guys. Baliktad. So dito. Wait lang, besh!
Ang tagal niya pa.
Sorry. Ayan na. Ayan na. Success! Nakatawid. Nang hindi natatapos ang pagkakaibigan, nakatawid. Ay, very cutesy. Very colorful. Yun yung mga atake dito, guys. Box. Starbucks. Yet again. So, naglakad kami ng malayo para maghanap ng mga coffee shops na aesthetic. Ang ending, Starbucks. Eh, naka-Harry Potter theme na sila. Makakabili kaya si Joshi sa third Starbucks niya.